Hey guys, the intention of this video is to show you a property that expired and we just recently relisted, and we're going to see how far staging or virtual staging is going to help us with this particular home. Here was the original listing. We do have some decent photos. We get an idea of the layout. We have good lighting. Not bad overall. So it was on the market for 171 days before the seller ended up calling us to help them relist the property. We used Florida Home Photo to take amazing photos. So here's the actual difference as to what we're looking at. And if we glance down, we have a pretty good idea as to how this is going to enhance our exposure just with photography alone. Now, one thing that I wanted to go over was the virtual staging for this particular home. So take a look at this master bedroom, and what an impression is this going to make for those viewers online. Drastic difference. The living room just looks so peaceful, so vibrant, and it really feels like you can just move into this particular home. I definitely would want to come and see this home in person myself and add it to the list of homes that I will be viewing in this area if I was a potential buyer. Here's another angle. Here's a different angle as well. Just fantastic photography, fantastic staging. It really makes me feel like I am there, and it gives me a sense of how I can use the space and what type of furniture I can even put in this particular home to make it my home instead of just a property. So this staging just came in. We're excited to put it on this listing, and we'll show you guys how long it'll take to sell. We are 3 days on the market. Virtual staging just came in, so we're excited to see what we can do and get a good result for this particular listing. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in to see what results we get, and if you guys need any help with any of your listings, please let us know. Florida Home Photo can do a great job, and of course, if you're a seller yourself and are interested in listing, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you and take care.